Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is me, your girl Liza, and I am back with another video. In today's video, it's a bit different because I haven't done colors like this on the camera in a long time. This is gorgeous, looks amazing. It suits my blazer that I'm wearing today, which is like a pink and orange and a bit of yellow. This is amazing, it's great. Just a heads up, this video is not talk through. As you can tell by the title, I will not be talking into the entire video. So this talking right here is what I'm doing, and the rest is watch and learn pretty much. These are amazing. I've had them for a while, but I've never filmed a look on my channel using these. So I did this today, and these are the look. This is the look that we end up with. Yeah, that's that. If you are interested on how I create this look, then please keep on watching.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. No more get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that ooh.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Love is more than a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh,
babes, here is the finished look. If you did enjoy of how I created this look, or you would like to see more of the color looking makeup look like this, please leave a comment. Let me know what you like about this look the most. Let me know if you liked the blending of the foundation. Let me know if you liked the blending of the eyeshadow. Just let me know what you liked in the comment below. That would be nice, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video, baby, because I'm trying to upload these videos, okay? I'm trying. So go ahead and give your girl a subscribe. Also hit that button, and that way you are notified every time I upload a new video, so you don't miss anything good. And yeah, that's it for the look, and I'll see you guys on my next video.